Right, James and Josh eat the fire sausage.
Go. It's got my heart racing.
It's not that bad. It's like a Bombay pot noodle.
Well, try your second piece then.
Oh man, that's killing. Oh, it's killing my gums.
Yes.
Oh, it's got those on it.
No, too late.
Oh no man, you're going to be crap into the eye of a needle.
Some precision. Oh no.
Don't vomit, please.
Oh, sweet days.
You don't feel you have to eat it all, man.
That's outrageous. I think the milkshake's coming into